In this video, I will be demonstrating the integrated planning and analysis platform with Kepion and Power BI technologies combined. Here we will walk through how a product planning team can run analysis and what-if scenario planning for new markets and product introductions and set strategic goals while doing so. Secondly, we will jump into a revenue forecast cycle where a brand finance team can track how their products are performing and plan for new volume and promotional spend. Right now, we are logged into Power BI service where I can view an example of strategic planning and analysis dashboard. We begin by taking a closer look at our sales performance in the recent years. Taking a look here, we can see that US and Canada demand continues to increase steadily. However, France and Spain's growth rise drastically. We can take a closer look at the product mix on the next page, which shows a breakdown of product brand performance by region. If we select Spain in the slicer, we can see that Harper and Sofia are doing extremely well. Based on this information, we would like to run some what-if analysis and see how we can potentially introduce these products into other countries within Europe. Taking a look at our 5-year projection section, we can see based on our most recent strategic plan, what our anticipated growth trends will continue to be. However, let's go ahead and run some additional what-if analysis and see what the total impact will be on our top-line revenue. Let's navigate to the strategic planning page, which is where we will see a Kepion planning page. Here we can create a new what-if analysis for Portugal. Set a volume base for the territory and percentage of the market size. Then we can assign which product brands we will plan for this market. Going over to the strategic planning page, we can start inputting YOY growth rates for not only Portugal, but make adjustments to our existing markets as well, and see the total revenue based on these changes. We can also create additional scenarios and compare across to our baseline values. Within Kepion, you can customize any look and feel within this dashboard page. For this demo, we have included elements to provide a seamless integration of look and feel across Power BI and Kepion. If we navigate back over to our 5-year projection page, we see Portugal included into the reporting. This real-time feedback allows the management team to move effectively with their decision making. Now let's jump into a revenue forecast cycle where we can start by getting a sales performance review from our Power BI dashboard that shows how our sales and gross margin are performing compared to our original plan. As a sales manager, I can go into the revenue planning within Kepion here to make adjustments to the forward-looking months and see immediate impact on my total revenue and margins. This can be adjusted not only at the product brand level, but I can also navigate down to the SKU level to make further updates. There are additional areas where I can plan for different deflator spend, and also promotional events that are associated with this product brand. Altogether, I can navigate back to my sales performance dashboard and see the immediate calculated results come through. These are just a couple of examples of what can be realized within our integrated planning and analysis solution. If you're interested in taking a closer look at Kepion and Power BI for yourself, please visit us at kepion.com and contact us here to learn more.